taking what they're giving because I'm working for a living.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show, sponsored by CheckaPro.com. To find pre-qualified local service providers, click on CheckaPro.com. Here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
Welcome, my friends, to my show, the Checka Pro Radio Show. Yeah, they call me Checka Pro Joe. My name on my birth certificate is Jim Clouk, but I also go by the moniker, the nickname, Checka Pro Joe, here for you in Houston for over 20 years. That's right. And I've been here on AM 700 KSEV, the voice of Texas, for just about that time as well. So over 21 years helping you find pre-qualified home service professionals, whatever you need for your home. Need a roofer, an electrician, a plumber? How about an HVAC guy? Well, I've got an HVAC guy, and his name is Rusty Miller from Bel Air Air Conditioning. They also do heat in the heating season in the wintertime, but it's been hot. I mean, here we are. It seems like the middle of the summer. Believe it or not, as we go into the month of September, we are headed toward cooler weather, but it's brutal. We've had triple-digit weather, and for most of us, we haven't had enough rain, so that seems really bad. I will tell you the good news, though. When it gets hot enough, when it's 109 with the heat index, you don't feel the humidity as much. As a matter of fact, the humidity does burn off a bit. It's not like it's 75%. It can go down to like 38%. So that's the only upside to it. Other than that, it's been a brutal summer. My question for you is, how has your air conditioning system kept up in the heat? I get emails and phone calls all the time. Hey, Joe, I set my temperature to 74 on my thermostat, and it won't go below 77. Sometimes I set it for 74, and it continues to go up. And there are a lot of reasons why in this heat that it won't keep up. Later on in the show, Rusty Miller from Bel Air will be joining me, and he's going to be answering your questions. If you have a question, you should email me now. That's the best way to get a question. And email me, Joe, J-O-E, at checkapro.com. That's J-O-E at CHECKAPRO.com. Checkapro.com. So, in case you didn't know, July and August are the hottest months. And depending upon what source you look at, they say July's the hottest or August. So average high 94 to 95 in July and August. September, supposedly, the average temperature for a high is 89. I don't know if I believe that. Even October can feel very uncomfortable. We need our air conditioning most of the year. As a matter of fact, even during the holidays, it may not be super hot, but it may be uncomfortable due to high humidity. Therefore, we need to turn our air conditioning system on. So here in the greater Houston area, if you're from here or you've been here a long time like me, you know you need your air conditioning system to be working well. If you've just moved here and this is your first summer, you might be reconsidering, especially if you're from the north, like Michigan or Minnesota, or California or New York. Anywhere, Ohio, anywhere really north. Yeah, huge difference here. We need our air conditioning system. If you've always wanted to call Rusty, you've heard him here before on the show, but haven't had a chance to do that, here's his number, 713-255-2529. Now, put the phone number in your phone, 713-255-2529. However, 10 people today, by calling that number, can really, really cash in on a fantastic deal. He's done this before on the show, and he's doing it again. Rusty is. It's a fantastic opportunity for you, my listeners here on AM 700 KSEV. Listen to this. If you don't have an air conditioning guy, air conditioning company, or even if you do and you're not happy with them, Bel Air should be your company. Here is what Rusty's offering today. A first-time out system tune-up. That means if you've never used them before, you would be a new customer. They will tune up your system. They're going to do a full tune-up. They're going to look at it for the rest of the summer and for the fall and winter for the heating side. It's ordinarily $149, which is still a great deal. The cost to get a technician out to your house is so expensive. $149 is a great deal. But he's taking $100 off for you, my listener. Just $49. That's right, 49. A licensed, trained, insured technician from Bel Air Air Conditioning is going to come out to your home for just $49. Only 10 people. Call now, 713-255-2529. You can't go wrong. 713-255-2529. Also, for the first 5 callers today, I'll give you a $25 gift card from Check-A-Pro that you can use with any of our contractors. $25. But you've got to call now, 713-255-2529. So, $100 off. I asked for more from him. So I flipped Rusty upside down, shook him by his ankles. The pennies and the nickels came out. And he's also going to throw in for free an HVAC inspection, total HVAC inspection, inspecting everything. So a tune-up and an inspection. That's worth $95. So we're still only at $49. And I said, what else can you do? But wait, there's more, right? There's more. The Bel Air Air Conditioning Club membership. They call it the Phil's Comfort Club. Phil is Rusty's father who started the company. 6 months for free. It's ordinarily $198 a year. They're giving you basically $100 off. 6 months for free. You're not going to pay anything. Once again, just $49 for the system tune-up, ordinarily $149. It's also going to include a $95 HVAC inspection for free and half a year, 6 months of Phil's Comfort Club, the Bel Air AC Club membership. $100 off of that. But wait, there's more. A bonus. Get your free duct inspection too. $179 value. All of this is worth $474 just for $49. It is incredible. You got to call now, though. Only for my listeners here on my radio show, 713-255-2529. In our next segment, I'm going to be welcoming my friend Rusty Miller from Bel Air Air Conditioning. In the meantime, for those of you who want to get in on this deal before they're gone, you've got to call now, 713-255-2529. The first 10 callers only, and the first 5 will get a $25 VIP club card from us here at Check-A-Pro. 713-255-2529. $49 for all of this, worth $474. It's silly. Even if your air conditioning system is running well, why wouldn't you want a technician to come out? You can follow the technician around. They can explain what's going on with your air conditioning system so you understand it. So if you do have a problem, you'll know more. They'll look at your thermostat. They'll look at your filters. They'll go in the attic. They'll go outside. They'll see if things are dirty, if they're old, if they need to be replaced. They'll test everything for $49. 713-255-2529. Now, before we go to break and before Rusty comes on the program, I want to remind everybody, before you hire a contractor, and I know this is self-serving, you need to go to checkapro.com. But if you don't want to go to the free website that I developed back in 2005, 21 years ago, it's free for you. If you don't want to go there, here's what you need to do on your own. Before you hire a contractor or before you call a contractor or chat with them online, make sure that they are licensed and insured. Okay, licensed with the state of Texas for what they do. So don't hire an HVAC company, a plumber, an electrician, a pest control company, an irrigation company for sprinklers without making sure that they have a license with the state. Make sure that they are properly insured. If something happens on your property, you may have to pay. Yeah, even if they get hurt, if they fall off your roof, or fall through your ceiling while they're in the attic, make sure that they have the insurance. You don't want your insurance to have to cover that. Checkapro.com. It's a free website. When you get the $25 VIP club card, by the way, when you get that, here's the good news. This exciting news. You can use that with any of our contractors at checkapro.com. Here is Rusty's number. I want you to take it. Oh, okay. So Jerry, my producer, says there are only 8 left. 8 left. 713-255-2529. Thank you, Jerry. 713-255-2529. So do you have hot and cold spots in your home? In other words, in the summertime, do you have rooms that are too hot? In the winter, they're too cold? Are your utility bills high? Are they getting higher? Meaning your AC system may be less efficient. It could be something as simple as needing to clean something like your coils or change your air filters. Next segment, Rusty will be here to answer your questions at joe@checkapro.com. Often, like I said earlier, you set your thermostat for 74 and your AC system doesn't stop running, right? It says 77. It keeps running and running and running. What does that mean? Well, Rusty will answer that question as well after the break. Here's the phone number, though. Get in on this deal. For $49, get $474 of free stuff from Bel Air. 713-255-2529. Again, 713-255-2529. Up next, Rusty Miller, the man himself from Bel Air Air Conditioning, and your questions right here on the Check A Pro Radio Show. Stand by.
Dennis Prager here. Just go to checkapro.com. You'll find names, phone numbers, affiliations, and license numbers, everything you need to feel confident about hiring a contractor and getting your project done right. Checkapro.com.
Check A Pro Joe here. Is your home feeling too hot in some rooms and just too cold in others? Are your utility bills climbing higher every month? Or maybe your HVAC system just isn't keeping up anymore? Well, it's time to call my friends at Bel Air Air Conditioning. Right now, Bel Air Air Conditioning is offering their first time out heating and air conditioning system tune-up for just $49. That's $100 off the regular price. Their professional technicians will inspect, clean, and tune your system to help it run more efficiently, save you money, and keep you comfortable all year long. But hurry, the special offer is for new customers only, and this offer ends at the end of my show today. Call Bel Air at 713-255-2529. That's 713-255-2529. Don't wait until your system breaks down. Get peace of mind, save money, and be more comfortable in your home today with Bel Air.
I'm taking what they're giving because I'm working for a living.
This is the Check A Pro Radio Show, sponsored by checkapro.com. To find pre-qualified local service providers, click on checkapro.com. Here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
You know, I know a lot of you are out there driving around today. Most of my listeners, from what I understand, are in their cars and trucks, which is fine. No problem. But I want you to be careful. I don't want you to be dialing the telephone while you're driving at 60, 70 miles an hour or you're in bumper-to-bumper traffic. That's when we have these accidents. We don't want to have accidents. So I'll be giving out the phone number throughout the radio program today. Pull over when you make the phone call. 713-255-2529. A $49 first-time out system tune-up. That is a loss big time for Rusty and his team over at Bel Air. They call that in the business a loss leader, but Rusty wants to get some great new customers. He knows, and I know too, my radio show listeners are that type of homeowner he's looking for. $100 savings, not $149 for the tune-up. Just $49. I asked him for more. He said, yeah, we'll do a free HVAC inspection on top of that. So they're going to tune it up, inspect everything. That's worth $95. And then I said, hey, Phil's Comfort Club, I know that you charge about $198 a year for that. Can you give some of those away for free as well? Ordinarily, $198 a year. You're going to give a 6-month trial, if you will, for free. right, for my
Correct.
listeners' sake?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So only 10 of these. So the people who've already called, they will get that. For those of you who haven't called, you will get it. But there's only 7 of these left. 713-255-2529. 713-255-2529. Call right now before they are gone. Without further ado, Rusty Miller, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing, Jim?
I am doing phenomenal. Thank you so much for joining me here on the show. Before we get into the great offers, because my listeners are used to the deals I bring, it's really kind of, my thing. I introduce great companies like yourself to my listeners, and then I introduce, with your help, of course, some great offers on things that they need for everyday items in their home, whether it's garage doors or HVAC systems or their water with a water softener. These are things that keep their home going, keep their family safe and comfortable. So there's a history here with Bel Air Air Conditioning. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the genesis of the company, where it began, who the guy was in the beginning, and your role now?
Hey, thanks, Jim. My father, Philip Miller, and my mom, Sharon, they both were West Texas kind of farm kids, grew up very poor. My dad had the opportunity to move the family to Houston in, I believe, 1967 to learn the HVAC trade. And so he took the chance and moved my older brother and himself to Houston, learned the trade. And then a year later, he started his own business, which became Bel Air Air Conditioning. A few years later, I came about. And funny thing, this is the only job I've ever had all my life. So everything I've learned I've learned from my dad, and it's been great.
Yeah, so it is a heritage brand, heritage type company. Your father was the HVAC technician and business builder behind it, and you have taken that over. And I love family owned and operated businesses. I love talking to people on my radio program who haven't just bought into a company or are just a hired hand at the company. This is someone, you, Rusty, who grew up in the business and you learned on the job. I'm sure your father had some standards in place that you followed. And I know that you continue to take his business that he started and improve upon it. I've noticed that you've rebranded, and that looks really good and consistent. And of course, you're going to add the latest technology in terms of, customer service, in terms of the products you offer, in terms of the service at the home you offer, because things aren't the same as the 1960s and 70s. Let's talk about Phil. You named the Comfort Club after your father. Talk a little bit about Phil, your dad, and the Comfort Club.
Well, Phil, my dad, he grew up, way out in West Texas as a kind of almost like a farmer's kid, but he grew up kind of in the oil industry, not the prosperous part of the oil industry, but the hardworking part. So, and he finally moved to Houston with my mom and my brother and learned this trade and kind of built it with his own 2 hands. And that's the type of man he was, just grew the business with his own 2 hands and surrounded himself with really good people like I continue to do to this day. And he was just a really good, I can't tell you how many customers have told me over the years what a great man he was. So he was just a very common, just good old boy, I guess. I used to hear him say that quite a bit. This guy, he's a good old boy, that type of expression. But he's just good man, really good man. But when we were kind of in the rebranding process, of doing the new logos and everything and the new van wraps, I wanted to honor my dad. And doing so, we used him as the character. And I thought what another great way was just to name our maintenance program Phil's Comfort Club in honor of him.
Yeah, absolutely. Salt of the earth guy. And yeah. I'm so glad that you included your father, Phil, in the imagery of Bel Air, as well as in the Comfort Club. So a Comfort Club, or the Comfort Club, is basically the Bel Air AC Club, the HVAC Club. You are going to get priority. So when someone gets Phil's Comfort Club and you're giving away free memberships today, what are they going to get versus everyone else who's not in the club?
First of all, they're getting priority service. We kind of, obviously we're going to triage everybody, but you get priority service. So if your system's down, you're going to be one of the first people we take care of. And then that also comes with 2 visits per year annually, one in the spring, one in the fall. One in the spring takes care of your AC system, but we'll check over the heating system as well, just to make sure it looks good. And the one in the fall, we're mainly concerned with the heating system, but we'll go ahead and double check the AC system as well, make sure it's continuing to do well. Because you know as well as I do here, we're going to be using the air conditioner 12 months out of the year.
Oh, absolutely. Even during the holidays, November and December and January, sometimes I just turn it on to pull humidity out.
Yes.
It's really necessary. Something, it's not necessarily hot, but it's uncomfortable. It's kind of sticky. So
Yes.
we turn it on just to get that moisture out. All right. So call now to get your $49 first time out system tune-up for your HVAC system. It's $100 off. You'll get a free HVAC inspection valued for $95 for free, and 6 months of Phil's Comfort Club, all for just $49. 713-255-2529. That's the phone number. Again, 713-255-2529. A question's come in from Tom from Sugarland at joe@checkapro.com. He says, my HVAC unit is about 12 years old and still running. How do I know when it's time to replace it versus just repairing it again? Where's the tipping point? And before you answer this question, Rusty, this is a common question. It's kind of the same question you might have with your mechanic for your car or truck.
Mm-hmm.
I put a new transmission in it, need a starter, the radiator went, the brakes, right? Like, when do I just call it a day and start over again? Is it similar with the HVAC system?
Absolutely. I really do think it is. But every case is different. Like Tom, age is only part of the equation. We've got systems that are 20 years old that are still doing their job today. And we've seen younger systems that are already ready for retirement. And a lot of that's based on what type of maintenance they did over the years, what type of installation was done when it was originally installed. But I always tell homeowners that if your system's reliable, keeping you comfortable, and the repairs are reasonable, keep it going. But if you're starting to face, frequent breakdowns and rising utility bills and things like that, and more expensive repairs, then it probably is time to start thinking about, is it time to upgrade to a newer system?
Yeah. In some instances, some of the system is still in good shape. But but if it's old and the ductwork is old and the registers are old, heck, your thermostats are old. Yes, you can keep the wiring in the walls. That's fine. But
Yeah.
but sometimes you just want a fresh start. And something we haven't talked about is the cost of replacing. A lot of people say, well, I don't want to spend, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, whatever they would have to for, a new high efficiency unit. Well, you can get different SEERs, right? So that doesn't matter.
That's
You get
correct.
different efficiency levels. I guess the question is, do you have financing options for our listeners where if they don't want to spend $20,000 today, they may want to spend, a few $100s a month? Is that an option?
Absolutely. Yes. We offer that with every single system that we sell. And typically it's half and half most of the time, to be honest. Sometimes people are ready to go ahead and just pay for it. And other times they're like me. If I had to buy a new roof for my home, I would absolutely finance it. Yeah.
Yeah. A new roof today can cost $20,000, $30,000. I mean,
Yes.
it's if you want a nice roof, if you want a nice HVAC system, you're going to spend money. But there are some people, especially people who have rental homes, where they're like, hey, I just need to have this work. I don't pay the AC bill, right? I don't pay the electric bill.
Correct.
You can put in a basic unit for not so much money, right?
That's correct. Yeah. We've got all shapes and sizes, just every option you could imagine to fit to really accommodate every customer and what they're facing.
I will say today the technology is so much different. There are, variable speed, multi-speed products today, high efficiency, and there is a difference. When you drive through your neighborhood, it looks like everyone has the same type of unit. Someone may have a more efficient unit, and they may be spending $50 to $100 less a month on electricity, depending upon the size of home.
Yes.
And that can make a huge difference. It's kind of like, what it's like is, when you see a pickup truck. Well, just because it's an F-150 doesn't mean it's the same F-150. Once you go inside the cab, right, and now it's different. You're like, wait a second, this thing has leather. This thing has, all these different cruise controls or, all this technology, or you can get the basic one. So if you just want to haul stuff, get the basic one. If you want to have a more luxury type product, then you get the nicer F-150. Air conditioning systems are the same. They look the same from the outside, like pretty much identical, but they're not on the inside. My recommendation, if you're considering getting a new air conditioning system, is to get one that's going to save you money, that's going to run efficiently and smart. You want to make sure it's cycling on and off at the right time. We've talked about the humidity issue before, where just because it cycles on and cools the house doesn't mean you're comfortable in the house. As a matter of fact, I think a question came in. Oh, maybe we can get to this question right now because Maria has that question from Katie. Before I do that, though, I'm going to give out the phone number again. $49 only for a first time out system tune-up for your HVAC system. That's $100 off. On top of that, Rusty's throwing in a free HVAC inspection that's worth $95 and 6 months of Phil's Comfort Club. You'll be in the club. You'll be saving $100 on that. 6 months free. 713-255-2529. There's only 6 left, Jerry tells me, my producer. 6 left. 713-255-2529. You will not find this on Rusty's website. You can go to Bel Air Air Conditioning. Just go to Google, type in Bel Air Air Conditioning, and you'll see their fantastic website. And you're not going to find all of these offers in one place. There's no other place, just here on my show. 713-255-2529. Okay, quickly here, Maria from Katie. With all the humidity in Houston, my house feels sticky even when the AC is running. Is something wrong with my system, or do I need a whole home dehumidifier? And I think it's pretty much what we're just talking about.
It is. And that's a great question. I think we're going to face this question or this issue a lot this year, especially with all the rains we've been having. And I guess they're saying it's possibly a super El Nino this year. And that's really what we see a lot when we have a really rainy year or wet year. We're going to see a lot of humidity issues. So we want to start at the beginning, make sure the HVAC system is running properly, make sure the ductwork's working well. Comfort is just not about temperature. It's about the humidity that's in the home. So if we find the system isn't operating at, peak performance, or it's possibly oversized and short cycling, then we want to approach those issues as they are before we just start adding, a dehumidifier to your existing system.
Yeah, probably not necessary. I've lived in Houston for a very long time and always been able to handle the humidity through my air conditioning systems. We're going to break right now. Here is Rusty's number. Call now to get the $49 first time out system tune-up for your HVAC system. 713-255-2529. He's going to throw in a free HVAC inspection and 6 months to Phil's Comfort Club, their AC club membership. Call now, 713-255-2529. More of your questions right after the break. Stand by.
This is Sebastian Gorka. If you're looking for a quality home service provider, log on to checkapro.com. That's checkapro.com.
Checkapro Joe here. Is your home feeling too hot in some rooms and just too cold in others? Are your utility bills climbing higher every month? Or maybe your HVAC system just isn't keeping up anymore? Well, it's time to call my friends at Bel Air Air Conditioning. Right now, Bel Air Air Conditioning is offering their first time out heating and air conditioning system tune-up for just $49. That's $100 off the regular price. Their professional technicians will inspect, clean, and tune your system to help it run more efficiently, save you money, and keep you comfortable all year long. But hurry, the special offer is for new customers only, and this offer ends at the end of my show today. Call Bel Air at 713-255-2529. That's 713-255-2529. Don't wait until your system breaks down. Get peace of mind, save money, and be more comfortable in your home today with Bel Air.
This is the Checkapro Radio Show, sponsored by Checkapro.com. What are the latest services, products, and techniques? The pros check in here. Here's your host, the man with the hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
And back here on Checka Pro Radio, it is so great to have you here. I want to thank all of you who listen to me each and every week. And I'll tell you why. Because when I talk to my wife, she rolls her eyes. So I can just imagine you're driving around town and you're like, oh my gosh, Checka Pro Joe, Jim Clouk back on the radio doing his thing. But I know those of you, all kidding aside, do like to tune in, do like to become educated, learn more about the systems in your home. Today's expert guest on Checka Pro Radio is Rusty Miller from Bel Air Air Conditioning. He has been in the business for some time, and we are talking about hot and cold spots in your home, high utility bills, different types of air conditioning systems that can help you with your high utility bills. We're taking your questions. We've taken questions from Karen in Bel Air, Tom in Sugar Land, Maria and Katie. We've got a few more. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, Joe, Joe, at checkapro.com. If you didn't get Rusty's number for the $49 system tune-up, this is for people who have never used Bel Air before. This is also for people who don't have an HVAC guy or who don't like their heating and air conditioning supplier, the people who you've used. Maybe you've used someone for a long time. You just don't like them. They don't have a personality. You don't feel comfortable with them. You can trust Bel Air Air Conditioning. Rusty Miller, my guest. 713-255-2529. 713-255-2529. We talked about hot and cold spots, Rusty. We've spoken about high utility bills. Often when people have high utility bills, I'm going to guess, this is my guess, based on my experience, their utility bills are high because for some reason their system is no longer as efficient as it used to be. There could be some leakage in ductwork. There could be a pinhole where they're losing some refrigerant. The system's just old. Or they just don't have an efficient system to begin with. Is there anything else that could be causing high utility bills all of a sudden?
You kind of hit the nail on the head when you mentioned all of those. Older systems, inefficient. I mean, your system, as you're throughout the years, year 2, 3, 4, 5, those are really important years to make sure you're keeping that brand new system as clean and operating at peak performance. So when you do start getting into the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years old, it can last that much longer and still be efficient, because that's one of the main reasons we start looking about replacing systems is it may be 12 years old and it's still running, but it's just not efficient. If they're having a $300 or $400 a month light bill.
Yeah. When it can be a lot less. And a lot comes down to how much it costs to operate things. The cost of power for utilities is not going down. And there's such a need for electricity now. There's so much demand. People have so many things in their homes. A lot of businesses are using it. Of course, AI data centers are huge now. And so these data centers are requiring a lot of electricity. And it's in some areas causing an increase in residential electric prices. 713-255-2529. That's the number. 713-255-2529. Get your $49 first-time system tune-up. Save $100. You'll also get a free HVAC inspection for free. Like I said, free HVAC inspection worth $95. The Bel Air AC Club membership, officially called Phil's Comfort Club, 6 months for free. That's worth about $100 right there. During the break, I asked Rusty for more. So what I generally do is I flip my expert guests upside down, hang them by their ankles. The pennies and the nickels fall out of their pockets because I asked for more for you, my listener. Another bonus here, a free duct inspection, all for $49. The duct inspection is worth $179. So $474 worth of work. That's what it's going to be in terms of value. It's expensive to send people out to your home. Rusty's going to eat the $474. All you have to do is pay $49 for all of this. Once again, system tune-up, the HVAC inspection, Phil's Comfort Club, and a free duct inspection. It's worth $474 for $49. Jerry, my producer, says there's only 4 left. You must call now. 713-255-2529. 713-255-2529. This is almost zero risk. $49. It costs way more to dispatch a contractor, a service guy, just to take a look at something, just to take a look. It costs way more than $49 for a reputable company to come out and look and diagnose something. Today is just $49 for all of this. Value $474. 713-255-2529. Rusty, we hear sometimes people say that their system just isn't keeping up. It's constantly running. Maybe it's 98 degrees outside, 100% humidity. They set the thermostat to 74, but it's 76 or 77. And they're like, I don't understand. I can feel a little bit of cool air, but I'm very sticky in here and it just won't keep up. What is happening in that case?
There again, we want to start at the beginning, get one of our qualified techs out there to really evaluate the system, do a full inspection, and then if there is something going on, then really diagnose it to make sure. Because sometimes you can come up against, is it slightly low on refrigerant? And that's a very common case right there. Just slightly low. Maybe it's a pound or two off. And there's a lot of misconception with refrigerant. The system is actually sealed, so the refrigerant is recirculating all the time. So when the system does need a pound or two or whatever it may be, there's a leak in the system. And that's where we need to, before we just go put refrigerant back in the system, let's get the leak detectors out and identify where the leak is and try to repair it, see if it's repairable or whatnot, and get you up and going again.
Yeah. So from my experience, and my experience is a homeowner's experience, and I'm someone who is very curious and I follow the technician around. And so I know about these things. If there's a leak, high percentage, it's in the coil.
Yeah.
That's not good. The good news is you know where it is and you just take the coil out and put a new one in. The bad news is that the coil ain't cheap. So, and you're starting fresh again with a new coil. They don't make coils like they used to, right, Rusty? They used to make them better. Today, you have to treat them well, which is kind of hard because it's not like you're holding it like a baby, but you want to make sure that you're changing your air filters, you're cleaning the coils and all these things on a regular basis because that coil is so key. Can you explain a little bit about how the coil inside the home does this work of the air flows over the coil, it pulls humidity out, and it pulls the heat out, right?
That's correct. It does. And that's all done through the refrigerant system, because the refrigerant is actually, making its way through that evaporator coil. A lot of times they're in the attic, sometimes they're in the closet or maybe out in the garage. But so as it's going through the refrigerant cycle, it's, pulling the humidity out. And that's why sometimes the system could cut off because it's got a, overflow switch on it. And that's that water the water that's being pulled out of the air. Getting back on track, that's part of how the refrigerant cycle works. It pulls the heat out of the air. It travels through the refrigerant outside to the outside unit. So if you ever put your hand over the air that's coming out of the air conditioner outside, that's the warm air from inside the home. So it's kind of, I remember as a kid, that just blew my mind. How does that work, Dad? But you're around it long enough, you understand it. But that's part of the cycle. So that evaporator coil is very key. And like you said, Jim, that's where most of your leaks are.
Yeah, speaking of outside and so forth, and the fan which is blowing that air. I have a 3-ton and a 5-ton, and sometimes I'll do a test. This may not be that accurate, but if one of my systems isn't cooling well, I will compare it with my hand, in terms of how much warm air is coming off.
Uh-huh.
If it's blowing cool air, it's not doing its job. You should feel warm air coming off. So if the unit that's keeping that floor cool is blowing off warm air, I use that kind of as the baseline. And then I put my hand over the other one where I'm having an issue, and it's like, wait a second, this isn't as warm. There's probably a problem with refrigerant. It's not pulling the heat out like it should.
Absolutely. And what you're doing, Jim, is what a lot of our techs do as well, because that's why we've taught our technicians is really, use all your all your senses, touch, feel, listen, your gauges, everything, your meters, just everything to really, when you go up and put your hand over it, you can tell how it's working just by, really pulling out some heat on a hot day, it's doing pretty good, at least to start with.
Yep. Here's Rusty's number. Call now to get your $49 system tune-up for your HVAC system. $474 worth of value, just $49. 713-255-2529. Again, the number, 255-2529. Steve from Tomball writes in at joe@checkapro.com. I see all kinds of air filters at the hardware store, different sizes, MERV ratings, HEPA filters. What should I be using and how often do we need to change them? You know what? We are going to go to break, so I'll let you think about that during the break, Rusty. What does that all mean? 713-255-2529 is the phone number. Rusty and I will be right back talking about your heating and air conditioning system right after this here on the Check A Pro Radio Show. Stand by.
If you want to get a home improvement project done, but you don't know who to call, I can help. This is Dave Ramsey. Don't call. Log on to checkapro.com.
Check A Pro Joe here. Is your home feeling too hot in some rooms and just too cold in others? Are your utility bills climbing higher every month? Or maybe your HVAC system just isn't keeping up anymore? Well, it's time to call my friends at Bel Air Air Conditioning. Right now, Bel Air Air Conditioning is offering their first time out heating and air conditioning system tune-up for just $49. That's $100 off the regular price. Their professional technicians will inspect, clean, and tune your system to help it run more efficiently, save you money, and keep you comfortable all year long. But hurry, this special offer is for new customers only, and this offer ends at the end of my show today. Call Bel Air at 713-255-2529. That's 713-255-2529. Don't wait until your system breaks down. Get peace of mind, save money, and be more comfortable in your home today with Bel Air.
Do you have a question for Check A Pro Joe? Email joe at checkapro.com.
This is the Check A Pro Radio Show.
And back here on Check A Pro Radio, the phone number to get a hold of Rusty and his team at Bel Air Air Conditioning. They've been doing this for generations, by the way, here in the Houston area. 713-255-2529. Call now. Jerry tells me there's only 3 of these offers left. Just $49 for a first-time out system tune-up. Saving $100 right there. Also, on top of that, $95 savings and a free HVAC inspection. Phil's Comfort Club. Join the club for free for 6 months. That's worth $100. And a bonus on top of that, a free duct inspection worth $179. All of that combined, $474 for just $49 today. Virtually free, for goodness sakes. It's crazy, $49. You can't even go out and get Mexican with your spouse for $49 anymore. It's just crazy. Everything costs so much. This is a great offer. 713-255-2529. I'll be giving out the phone number again shortly. But Rusty, let's go to that question again. Steve from Tomball. I see all kinds of air filters at the hardware store, different sizes, MERV ratings, HEPA filters. What should I be using and how often do we really need to change them?
That's a great question. Steve, more expensive doesn't always mean better. One of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of our customers make is that they're install one of the most expensive filter they could find at the hardware store, and it's actually restricting the system. So I've even made that mistake early on in the filter when they came out with all these new filters and everything, 15, 20 years ago. I put a really expensive filter system in my home and didn't realize what damage it was doing, and I was replacing a very expensive part on my. I was actually replacing the blower in my system. It was only a couple years old, and there I was already doing an expensive repair. So really, what we like to see is just a good quality filter. Like when we're installing a new system or recommending upgrades for filtration, sometimes on the larger systems we have to actually install 2 because just to make sure that system can breathe properly. But as far as how often and everything, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on the home. Does the home have pets? Does it have kids? A lot of activity, a lot of opening, shutting doors, things like that. So, I've been in homes where they change them weekly. I've been in homes where they change them every 3 to 4 months.
I've got the big media filters
Yeah.
that are in my attic that slide into the system upstairs in the attic, one for the 3-ton, which is for upstairs, and the 5 for down. And they recommend twice a year. April Air is the brand that's used. You're familiar with that, right?
Great brand.
And
great brand.
what I learned, and this is important for people to understand, if you end up converting to one of them, it's recommended by most professionals to not have the 1-inch filters in all your returns. What are your thoughts on that, Rusty?
I follow that as well. My dad was kind of the same way. If you're going to use a higher efficiency filter up at the unit, up in the attic, or if it's in a closet, wherever it may be, they're great. Like you said, most of the time I would see those changed twice a year for the average household, but various cases it can be a little more often. But those are great. I have the same thing in my home. I actually have 2 of them for my single system, just because it's a larger system, and I like to make sure it's and I actually have a HEPA built in as well, which does a great job. But that's really, those are great as well. But yeah, I don't like to see the 1-inch filters down at the filter grills either. It's actually gonna cause you problems in the long run.
Yep, and it's actually a lot simpler. I've got a filter for each one, so I've got 2 filters, one for the 3, one for the 5-ton, upstairs, downstairs, and I only have to mess with that twice a year.
Yeah,
twice a year, so I don't have to worry about all the returns. And some of them you have to get up on a ladder to get to the return. It's in the ceiling, maybe. Many are not. Many are in the wall at the bottom, which is fine, but it depends. And you have to remember where they all are, because if you ask most people how many returns they have in their house, they're not going to be right. You almost have to draw like a schematic to remember where they are, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We've had customers that are like, "Oh, I have a return here behind this couch over here."
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And your couch shouldn't be in front of it, by the way.
Absolutely.
That's another problem too with returns if they are in your wall, but putting things in front. And that's a whole nother discussion. But quickly on that, you should not have anything obstructing those. You want as much air going in as you can, so the air will come out of the supply. Phone number, 713-255-2529. I'm having way too much fun with my friend Rusty Miller from Bel Air Air Conditioning. Love talking home improvement. Love talking HVAC. It's so critical. I started off the show by saying life and death. I wasn't trying to be dramatic. It's true. Without our HVAC system, especially in the summertime, we are at risk of death. A lot of people are like, come on. No, I'm telling you, in August, you try living in your home for a week without air conditioning. Right?
Miserable.
Yeah. You might live, but you might not want to be. It's kind of like when you have food poisoning, you're like, I'm going to live through this, but I don't feel real good.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. The houses are built different today. They're built very well. They're built very tight, a lot of insulation. If the HVAC system isn't operating properly or operating at all, you're not getting the circulation and you're not getting the cool air and the removal of humidity, which could mean mildew and mold. That's a whole nother issue why you wouldn't want to live in your house without air conditioning. It is kind of life and death, and that's why it's really important to get things checked out for just $49 from Bel Air Air Conditioning. This is a company that's been around for generations. Phil was the man. Now Rusty is Phil's son. Rusty is the gentleman I have here on the radio program today. He's the one I lean on to answer these questions from you, the homeowner. Actually, Diane has a question from Spring. I've been putting off my annual AC tune-up for 2 summers now. Oh, Diane, bad girl. Does it really make a difference in the long run? It's kind of like when you hit a certain age, you need to go to the doctor annually to have things checked out. Diane, you need to go get this done with Rusty and his team from Bel Air. So what is the answer for Diane?
Yes, you're right, Jim. I mean, these systems, they need to be checked out at least once a year. Our Phil Comfort Club, we're checking each system out twice a year. We're checking the AC out twice a year. We're checking the heating system out twice a year. But I look at AC maintenance a lot like I would, changing the oil on my truck. You skip it long enough, eventually something's going to happen. And that's really what we find a lot of with major repairs is they just haven't had the maintenance done in a couple of years, 2 or 3 years. It really can make that big of a difference.
Now, I'm going to say something that Rusty may not like, but I know he'll agree with me. If you are relatively on top of things and handy, you can do some things yourself that Rusty and his team will do for people who need them to do it. So, for instance, if you change your air filters on a regular basis, that's a big deal. If you carefully, listen to me, carefully outside clean the coils on the outside unit, no high pressure. Use a soft flow from the hose. Do not use brushes necessarily. Try to stay away from that. I mean, there are some products out there that are okay, but just try to just put water on there. There are also some foam products you can put on there that may help if it's really dirty. But if you do some of these simple things, Rusty, would you agree that that's going to help people's HVAC systems last longer?
Absolutely. I can't tell you. That's usually the systems that you heard me talk about earlier, that we have systems out there that are 20 years old, operating and running efficiently, doing very well. And these are the homeowners that have gotten out there. They've changed their filters religiously. They've gone outside and, like you just described, washed down their condenser coils with just regular faucet water, just out of the hose. And that's what we do when we come out. That's part of our inspection. We rinse down those condenser coils, make sure they're good and clean. And it's kind of like the lungs of the AC system, the outside, for the outside part anyway. So yeah, definitely that's how these systems last 15, 20 years, is doing what you just said.
Yep. On the inside, the evaporator coil, those need to be clean as well. But from my experience, if you're using a great filtration system like I have and you're diligent, the coil shouldn't be dirty.
You're correct. Yeah. They just don't make a filter for the outdoor coils. So, I mean, if that was the case, we probably wouldn't have to clean them as much, but we do have to make sure those are clean. But the indoor coils, we inspect those with every inspection. And usually if it's someone like we're talking about, they've changed their filters regularly. We don't see those evaporator coils that dirty.
Speaking of the outdoor coils, what's really interesting is if you live in a construction area, let's say that you're one of the first homes built and there's a lot of dirt and dust, you're going to have dirtier coils outside. So that condenser needs to be cleaned carefully. Like I said, carefully. Do not use a pressure washer.
Yes.
Don't use high pressure from your garden hose, just carefully. And you'll notice that the dirt and debris will kind of fall through the grill, if you will, right? And so do not bend them. A little's not bad, a lot is bad, right? So just try to keep that in good shape. Also, if you have grass clippings, pet hair, all these things can actually create this. It's like a carpet. And if you go to YouTube and type in something like that, dirty outdoor coils on HVAC, you'll see some people literally pulling things off. It looks like a blanket. And that's not good, right?
No, we've seen sometimes even when someone hasn't taken care of their filters inside, we'll see that we'll pull so much pet hair off, it looks like there's a whole nother animal inside the evaporator.
That's crazy. Hey, Rusty, thank you so much for joining me. Everybody, we'll see you next time here on Checka Pro Radio. Have a great day.
Thanks for listening to the Checka Pro Radio Show. For more information on how to select the right contractor for your project, visit our website, CheckaProRadioShow.com. Join us again next week at the same time.
Listen up, contractors. The Checka Pro Challenge is on. Dave Ramsey here to tell you demand is growing for your services. My friend Jim Klauck is the owner of CheckaPro.com. Jim needs to add more contractors to the website to keep up with the demand. So if you're the best in your field and you want to expand your customer base, you need to take the Checka Pro Challenge. Do you super serve your customers? Do your customers rave about you? Then log on to CheckaPro.com and take the Checka Pro Challenge. It's not easy. I know the high standards at Checka Pro, but once you get qualified, you'll be listed among the best contractors in the area. Right now, homeowners are looking for remodelers, plumbers, electricians, roofers, AC companies, landscapers, and other home service providers. So, if you have what it takes to serve your customers well, take the Checka Pro Challenge at CheckaPro.com. CheckaPro.com.